Kumawood for bebre gufom susu wiase. Many of the Kumawood stars bebre na one eyare bebre na so in a spiritual world omobu bad accident 2024 Eda Kumasi ebeha most of the celebrity from Asante region. So Ama McBrwon, so only any better thing to do with her production. Onya de na oye na etan enfata no. Kumawood for mo lucky branding. One. Nana Masem na meba. Must always be about Dr. Likey, Shefo, Nana Ama McBrwon, and about dope a time.
Ghana Info TV seni akwabansoro enkoma viewers any adofo nyina abusia one god e de assemble ababontia wakasa e de Kumawood movie stars fo nyina ho wose afi 2025 yeremu atorenchem ene accident kese a ebese no dodo na Kumawood star fo bibre na eka ho enti wugye ho di se wo ka Kumawood star ho de a ene bomodi ansa won so bebo ho ban anase ebia na mufie se bi suman bi wo ho ma fauti ekoshe ase nyesa afi 2025 yeremu die ewowu a ebese no dodo na ejina eye stars for ni nyina eso yenko tie ni nsem ni bembra
Like the way say me see me nipa bi anjimindi asem si kwapo na sesi an kan ya still am anjimindi ne hu se ne abrabo ne tie because ye pedi pacho guda menum asem bia eye message to the world because me metrasia me ne ahonhom adi nkomo ne da susu wiase na me de ba susu wiase nsem so do so chen bible mu nsem they say so because I did saying now no different things happen in human life and in the spiritual world.
So I tell you, I don't already imagine one God. I don't like that.
I don't believe what you say.
Oh,
and some are tregu assassins, you know, and those it is see me kasa mutie Kumawood for bebre gufom susu wiase. Many of the Kumawood stars bebre na one eyare susu wiase abeba abonten. Bebre na so in the spiritual world omobu omoya tiase wuo ono motiase ebi pia bonten bad accident 2024 Eda Kumasi ebeha most of the celebrity from Asante region eye more de bia be kasa Asante mem no eye moja ene di twa asase no yamfa bible ene di asase no eti wo no mo na nanom ba na bible maaye ento mo di moja ana atena bi titamren ebesi enne eti the baddest news coming from the spiritual world Emamu Kumawood for na mon pet protection. Obia pese onye sika, but you don't want to do the sacrifice and the rituals. Fish, ukwachi no pumu, anase bakemu, no anfa sebi bibi anto da wana no or mother. And penifo one da na abo ontimi de enkumaboa. Etuwe ye message amedema Kumawood for no, mo mu this year tem ye de dasunsu wiase ne de ba. The baddest accident and what a shock a dasunsu wiase guda a dozen. Because the demonic word, no make cast me say so. The demonic word, no, as I say, no, sebi nature kwapo celebrity sebi the one or two things the spiritual world, no, assassin trying home. All the movable things will crash. Kumawood for so why just to say Kumawood new year star. Why Jessica Penya? But more than no papa fee, o mami fee, o be cross check it. Now they also ye no aye because enim guase about to tomu na dosun. E dosun suwiase. The media will be very busy. What a shock back and forth, no, a very large, and nobody can say anything about it. It's here, and once we be able to take, I can't do not open the baby no other. What the way we now call, or also a back home. It's more than now you pay respect to the gods from our mother's side and our father's side. Nanyan san emundo, nani midianu sumundo, na branding no so embra, na bibia ento ye. Kumawood for more lucky branding. One. Nana Masem na meba. Kumawood for one, more lucky branding. One, and no. And two, the latest models, the modest world we are living in, you know, they are not part of the modest world. Because we are living in the modest world that everything a classic, everything a luxury, adebia a fair. So we share the way Ghana for and I say Kumawood for the Ghana movie, a good Ghana movie, and you must say pa good airtime. Airtime. Good. So we now but say cross check the new world. What is the youth are bringing into this world for their generation to love and watch out. Ubo say Ghana ya actually. Ghana, the modest world, we are not part of it. Ghana, the new world, we are not part of it because we are not ready to dine with the gods to have sense, to upgrade our sense so that our movie industry will upgrade. Eti adia abado Nana Ama McBrwon oba panimu ene abado ne sefo ne Dr. Like omuyi sa de omuyi movie an say de series as a movie
say movie
we a movie with that see no I pity how they think and I pity how they even see the world. See Buddha, right now if you are dealing with everything or anything in this world a global internet no ama wiase na be global ama baako
okay
wiase be baako so tia say obi ti Ghana ha enso oji pay e Kenya oji pay e can say Uganda oji pay Nigeria oji pay South Africa oji pay US uma go tia oji pay because the video bi a oye to internet ni so no the global no obi a hwe eti sika dey e ban account mu eti se Kumawood fuo Nana Ama McBrwon oba panimu se wa be face of Ghana Kumawood movie industry una ye face so make Ghana movie industry because Ghana movie industry is make jake apia mu negu na de aboa mu negu ono mo Kumawood for na make am asem se Nana Ama McBrwon se only any better thing to do with her
Awusan yakwaba de anensem no wanka ensi ho a wowie no osaka say yankase ade nyina ye maame Nana Ama McBrwon na say yetete ne fremom ne hu no social media ne so say Nana Ama eni abadop eni Dr. Like e wo series bi omode ba bonti aje say ye hu enfrema kakra e fa ye ho abusuan eno achi no wo twemu say Nana Ama McBrwon yankase enim say ye cat top Kumawood actors for na Nana Ama so e ka ho bi wagedin papa inti Nana Ama niema wo ye say wo di series bi e ba bonti a wakofa Dr. Like akofa e abadop e di abefra no abusuan e ho hia nyina ne say adenti na nka won kofa eye university for nkwada no bia na say SHS for no ankasa nim so mo bom homoden e wo acting mo no onkofa omo embra na wo mo di kan e wo media no so dada ana say omo adwuma ni mu dada na omagidin no adenti no kwakofa omo ti say odi Dr. Like ene eye abadop mo ene be series ne di abusia de Nana Ama eye no ehun hia ensam no edoso e na obeka yenkonye nkotie bimbra
that's ya onja de na oye na etan enfata no time pa me say you cry because the mo ye crash nyoma see Nana Ama McBrwon who your bad penny mu say our movie industry ni mu why can't you sacrifice and pave way for the young upcoming actors and actors?
Oh, she do.
Let me tell you something because they're not ready to learn. They always want to go the one way, and the one way becoming one way. Now one be a villager in the eyes of people. Here, university in Ghana here. There are so many talented, beautiful, handsome, and actresses. Any boys, handsome boys, beautiful girls, one more. Very smart kids are into this world right now. TikTok here be a generating more talent. More talent. So your screen so anytime you saw a phone, you need talent. So Nana Ama McBrwon, what is stopping you say? Only will crew class. What pair some good movie script right here, be a show movie and I series amount. No one capture the young coming in Kolana Mo University, level 100, level 200 in Kolei. They say, I'm gonna sell you. I did be about Yasibian and Kolana SLA, music club bonus and Kolana Soma and Oma and Unyabi Nawote. So about to you move your TV.
Maybe they are hopo. Sanity to you mono na say
maybe about Fleming or Cassami chairman and say when I training. So what I say. So me call line there and say when they training. There are so many talented actresses and actors in Ghana here. You better me lift to the new Ghana movie industry. Let's make it the new Ghana movie industry. So what I say. Na Nana Ama McBrwon penny mu utalichiri. Send a root Kadri Ayo Nigeria.
Yeah, what's that?
Fresh girls, fresh boys, who are fair, who are talented. Everybody want to watch their children, their movie. And even their generation, there are millions right now they want to watch. Nina, no, internet will pay you money. Must it always be about Dr. Like, Shefo, Nana Ama McBrwon, and Abadop, air time. Yomuye enko baby 1 million view komunya. What me mo duo. Buda me mo duo, but me catch no one say the way no mo fa so Ghana movie na time. Nana Ama McBrwon, Ghana for be duodi. Ghana for abedo. There are so many things in Ghana here. Over to me stay aside. Now I'm you to be there. Abem. Share Ghana. Series be na ekoso ye TV so. Ye ni series be a. Series be yolo be na ekoso. Yolo so ekoso na say hu de ekoso. Say production na atia do. So mo story na sound. Say je na ekoso. We don't know. So Nana Mama brother, this is the biggest opportunity for you to invite Nigerians, to invite South Africans, to invite other African countries, put them together. Just like this Nigeria for you. More program Big Brother. There are so many things you can do to entertain the youth in Ghana here. Right now, Akolebia fan the phone. Okohe Nigeria for movie. Akolebia fan the phone. Okohe Nigeria for series.
Production
So the whole world, the global world right now, no, people are making millions of money. It is on Ghana hand and Gata no. To say we are celebrating now, your viewers be say 100K and I be say 500K. No, go and see what other people are doing in your country with their nation, with their youth. It's the abadob, no. Any then another mabna no. Nyanse bi ani mo munjai air time. Make kind of crash no. See, Nana Mababi do no acting. Now we investing in the young coming in Kolana Banimuno. We a big mama, we a big lady, you respect to. So Nana Matale today.
I a chair lady.
Now you're chair lady. So now Kolana I won't let go. KUS is other university no. Used to talent no more. Because there are so many children who want to be actors and artists. But the way is the way. Right now, Ghana has say, yes, soccer, atiada. Movie industry, atiada. Music industry, atiada. Anything that a youth now the government is not paying attention about it. It is all you will be a Kumasia. That's all you movie writer. That's all you dream making films. Look, join the corporate world, the modest world, you know. Never at the Papa Bra Ghana. Now other countries so etimede. Embe share Ghana. Dia Adia Dr. Like mu ye Ghana for Ghana show. And now YouTube, I make a great YouTube. So Chrome for Ghana for one show where you YouTuber who pay a kitty. They always want to see other countries penetrating on your platform. That makes you a star to gain more money. It is all to Ghana ha. Now so you Kumasi for Ghana for one shot. Send Albinia. Aside that couple, have an Odiko. Local champion who knows you. Eti abadob ni na ma movie we dey ka say ye ka ye be ka na ma on paving way and the upcoming generation. Na that chi bi so no ahoche bi eda nanim no ayebobo ba no wotime sia no kwan na wotime didi na nim guase anche no me da se wo
one god
nade mo da mo mpani kuro
sasa bi pe me wasem na ko bi sa asem
mo mpani ka na me open wasem the Kumawood ye nti nyasa be no the omu ye nyasa be no. No, they should upgrade themselves. They should upgrade their acting. They should upgrade the way they dress. Look at Vivian J. Vivian J. Sa idea oye. Uncle Peggy be no uncle. Now I buy you young girl wa young abrewa. Susu we as so yare. E chan kwa na obedina media so be sika. Unim. So all those things they should pave way for the new coming generation. Mu yehumo ni ma ya bre. So leave the screen and pave way for the upcoming generation. Push them in the classic way, in the luxury way. Now so are they what made you do?
Talent what TikTok.
Talent what TikTok, no. May say so over actress and artists go on TikTok. There are so many cases of more talent and more followers. With a capture, put them together and see the money you make out of them. See the money you make out of those children. Because they want to be star. They are eager to be star. They are eager to be celebrity. So what I say, it's Ghana. Nana Mama McBrwon just some movie now all year. No physical and share in Chilimana air bano. Nani di and Ghana how assassin. Now the all year now originating in the home. Continental Gata and then say for the daughter like in class in your ma. We ain't come be a hype way like we any. We ain't come him.
Na and the matter.
I will see aha enam dem go see and semoni nyina. Na maboaboa no amede ababegu monim no aha Ghana Info TV so ebusia se bia fe na wo share channel ya daroma na wa subscribe e dia mame na wa like na wa share owie se ma remfi so beja comment no e wase honum de opese wo che wa adwemfa ho bia no ebusia ba honum na wabegya ato honnom aha Ghana info se dem di kan no medin na na akua no de sikapa medase na nyame so nhyɛ se da ne de nyina wotaye chi mekram